Hey, good morning, everybody. Walk outside here, see how the yard's looking. I haven't had to cut it a lot or do a lot of trimming to it during the winter. But I think I need to go out here and clean it up some this weekend. It's looking kind of rough out there. Got a couple birds hanging out on the feeder. Little green bunting bird. Let's go see what's going on. Not a big yard, but we got a few trees and plants back here that we put in about 4 years ago that are taking off really well. We like to hang out here and just have a good time. Let's go around back and see what's going on. Yeah, I gotta definitely do some weed eating, clean this up. Ems has been doing a little bit of work in the back in the garden. As you can see, she piles it up over here by the fire pit. I need to work on that, clean it up some. I'm going to put a wall in the back there a little taller than what it is. Get under there, we got a jackfruit tree there. She's got some orchids tied up on the palm tree here. They're going pretty good. These hedges, they're like, I've cut them I've cut them 3 or 4 times easily, trying to get them to thicken up. But they're only about 4 years old. And when we put them in, they were probably only about a foot tall, so we're happy with how they're coming. Gives us a little something to do on the weekends. We're getting older. We're not heading to the gym or working out like a madman. This gives us some exercise and some fresh air. She's got something going on there. I don't know what. Let's go around back and see what's going on. That right there, I don't even know what name it is. We put that down. Got it from the side of the road, actually. It was only about a foot tall. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Let's see how it goes. Now it's about 10, 11 feet. All right, let's go see what madness Ems has got going on back here. She's planting some good stuff. It's a little tough here in Central Florida. It's hot, very hot for a long time. We don't really have much of a winter, but you get a couple of days it'll drop into the 30s. She's got all kind of good stuff back here. I think she put those pineapples too close to that fence, but hey, that's where they're at. That's her little project, her little area. She likes to come out and hang out. That thing's taken over. I've had a couple different things on there, but looks like she's got some type of cucumber, I think she told me it was. Now here we got blackberries. I think it's just too hot for this place to do well. They're surviving, but I think we've had the blackberries on this trellis for 2 years, and I don't believe we've seen any blackberries. But we're giving it a shot. I come back around here. Definitely got to do some weed eating. That's our little Zen garden. Clean that up. Now it's middle of February. It's going to start blowing up here in another month, I would think. Hims did a little bit of cleaning already here, I see. Give me something to move over to the fire pit. Once I get it cleaned up, we'll have to put some more smaller plants in here. We got enough now. It definitely keeps us busy. Oh wow, she did good here. Oh, she did good all over, but got a couple orchids over here. We're happy with the backyard. It's only 4 years old. As far as when we moved in, it was completely just grass. We slowly but surely stuffed plants and trees all over the place in here to kind of give it a little sanctuary for us to come out here in the afternoons when you get home from work. A little hummingbird feeder that will come here every year. I don't know if it's the same one, but I've read that it usually is. And he hangs out for a while. We see him quite a bit. He likes to come to the plants. Also, and over here on the corner, she's got a little rock garden with some cacti or succulent plants, they call them. Right beside the patio, so sitting there doing a little barbecuing and relaxing. All right, guys, that's my Sunday morning tour. I'm going to let y'all go and go do some cleaning up here.